everyone, welcome to Qigong meditation practice again. Today in this video we have 5 minutes to practice massage our feet. Sometimes we don't pay attention to our feet because you walk in a lot and you sit in a lot and you move a lot, but your feet is like need to taken care. So it's our feet sometimes feel cold, a lot of tension, so it's good to massage our feet to release tensions, but also to do acupressure under your sole of the feet. We can find the chair or the yoga mat to sit comfortably, and then you open your two palms to breathe in and breathe out. Bring your mind back to the body. And you may put your two hands on your thighs, on your knees, and feel comfortable. Relax our body. Relax our two legs, your knees. And offer a smile to yourself. Okay. You may start to lift up your left foot. Okay. And left foot put on your right knees. Okay. And you can use your left hand to hold in the first part of your left foot. So you make the fist over here to massage your whole sole of the left foot. Okay. So you can use make all like a finger together this way, like a fist, and then we use your hand just like massage and relax, like up and down this way to make the sole of your feet warm, but at the same time to do acupressure. Okay, to make the blood and the chi flowing good. I like to do this after a long period of time of walking, or after hiking, or even after sitting too long or standing too long. Okay, so you breathe in and you breathe out and to send love and care to your feet. Okay, that's good. And then you may use your left thumb and your right thumb to put this way and to just move up and down this way. Okay, to press it slowly, upper part and the middle part, and down, a little bit down near the ankle. Okay, take some seconds to do that. That's wonderful. And then you can also put your feet on the knees, and you can use the right hand, one hand holding your knees, and then right hand to massage in the back of your, also in the back of your, right here, on the top of your toes and your foot. Okay, the whole your foot is like warm, feel very warm after that. Yeah, and then each fingers, each toes. Okay, can do that. Toe. Turn around. You can use to press its toe. Okay, press it and release it 3 times. Okay, press it and release it. You go to the next toe. You can press and release it. Press and release it 3 times. Okay, go to next one. Next one, breathe in. Out. Okay, the little toes. That's good. And then you can massage in the ankle. Use your first finger and your thumb to massage your left ankle. Go up and go down like that. That's wonderful. Okay, so you can put your right hand, the whole right hand, the right palm, to measure from the ankle until now here. As you see from the your wrist, or right wrist, right here, right here. Okay, yeah, and you press it, and then release it. Press it here. To can help you to release a numbness. Okay, release a numbness. Breathe in, out. Sometimes you feel like you have a numbness with your legs after a long period of sitting meditation or standing or walking, it's just wonderful to press this point. A little bit hurt, pain, but it's good to release the numbness, okay? You can press and release it maybe about 10 times or 5 times, it's okay. Yeah? Okay, you can go with the other legs. Right legs, put on your left knees, okay? Holding the first part of your right toes, okay? And then the left hand, make the fist and massage up and down, okay? So we do the same like a left foot. So you massage your sole of the foot of the right foot and make them feel warm. Acupressure. You do this often actually very good for in the winter to make the all internal organs stronger, but also your feet warm. Okay. Then use your two thumb to press up and down, upper part here, and down, a little bit down here. And then more further down here. That's good. Right hand holding your knees and left hand to massage on the top of your all toes on your right foot. Smile. When you massage like this, you can offer smile and offer energy of love and gratefulness and peace to your feet, to your legs, okay? And then each toe on the top, each toe. Yeah. And then when you left thumb to press it, all the toe from big toes of the right legs, press it 3 times and release it, press it, release it. Go to the next one. Next one. That's good. And then you hold in your knees. Use your first fingers and your thumb to massage your right ankle. Yeah, like that. Up and down. That's wonderful. And then you can measure, okay? Right hand from the ankle go up, and right here at the wrist or left wrist, okay? That's a point. Under, we call the in on the body of the leg, okay? You press it and release it, okay? Press it and release it. Have to release numbness and the tensions, okay? Do that for 5 or 10 times, all right? Breathe in, open your two palms. Breathe out, release tensions from your palms, release tension from your legs, your feet. Feel your feet on the ground. Feel alive and happy. So that's wonderful. Thank you so much for joining us today. I think about 5 to 10 minutes to do this massage exercise to keep your feet strong and warm, but at the same time to help you to improve your health, strengthen your internal organs. So thank you so much again for joining us today, and hopefully you enjoy it. And see you next time.